Hey guys, it's UFO Man. Here's a clip of an unknown object moving frame left, recorded from a doorbell camera on 10/12/2022 in Kansas City, Missouri. Absolutely no sound was recorded. This is at 16 frames per second, the original frame rate. Playback speed times 2. Object isn't a lens flare, it goes behind the trees. Object seems to have 3D dimensions to it, and it is concave with a reflective texture. Reflection in object shape is seen better when sped up. Check it out. The light is accurate based on the bright light emanating from the parking lot below. This is a still shot done with 2 filters so you can get a better look at the shape. Here's the original footage enlarged at 16 frames per second. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and remember to share us out to your social media platforms. And as always, thank you for watching.